all of us, accountants, we are known for balancing numbers, right? When was the last time you felt calmness? Real now. Maybe some of them is self-care. This was me before. So around this area, I'm also makinig ka na. Views I have. Alam niyo ba, I am called for a purpose.
Do you remember us a very jolly person?
Being a jolly person, I want to be remembered as a positive person.
Public servant.
Public servant.
So I really was able to enable.
Let's whisper. Pero pansinin naman natin yung seatmate natin. Nice. I invite you to stand up. Come on, this table, let's stand up to meet 10 people from another table. Yeah, please. Just what's your one word? Okay, yeah, just keep on sharing, but don't forget right now. I'm presenting to you the Hearts framework. Five, okay. It's never really bayad. Do you agree? Yes. That you're able to manage your emotional intelligence. So this is when self-awareness is happening. It doesn't mean they don't want it. You are part of the big puzzle, so please, we need you. Thank you.
Share ko sa'yo.
Their respective color. Green color.
Yes.
All of the above.
Yes na pala. Tapos, you're supposed to be painful sa katawan. So, another tip is to do the 5, 4, 3, 2. Kung sakaling may naririnig ka pa, check mo baka tinig lang.
4, 5, 4, 2, 3.
All about being someone who's more
probably from there, things will change.
Living my life with purpose. Aside from being an accountant,
More self-reflection. Average, I'm reading my Bible. While others are nagpupuyat, I'm sleeping in Philippians 6:19 to 20. Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit? Thank you so much. It is an honor to make you remember that life is beautiful. Thank you.
Insightful, meaningful, and truly relevant discussion.
Very